YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a review on Beauty Forever hair. Now, if you did enjoy how this hair looked in the beginning clip of this video, then you should go ahead and stay tuned to watch how I install this glueless tutorial. Now, I will be using 3 bundles of their Malaysian deep wave and a matching closure, and all details of this hair and how to purchase will be listed down in my description box down below, so make sure you do go ahead and check that out and use my coupon code as well to get you some of this gorgeous hair. Now, today this install will be glueless, and I did go ahead and create a closure unit using all 3 of the bundles and their closure. I went ahead and bleached the knots, plucked it, and now I'm going to show you guys how I installed this hair gluelessly. Now, the foundation that I'll be using today is a new foundation that I purchased from my local Walgreens, and this foundation is from Maybelline, and it's actually like a full coverage foundation stick, and I got it in the color 360 Mocha. So I did go ahead and spread that on my beauty blending brush, and I actually brushed that onto my closure in the inside. Now, after I did that, I went ahead and placed the wig on my head, and of course I made my wig on a dome head, and it fits perfectly. So now I'm just going to go ahead and begin to install this closure wig. And the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut off the extra lace, and then once I cut off the extra lace, I will actually tack my wig down using the Got To Be freeze spray. So now that you did that, go ahead and take your Got To Be freeze spray, and I'm just going to spray that all on the center of my forehead where the closure is going to lay. And then once I do that, I'm going to actually begin to blow dry that lace down into that spray. Now that you have dried that down, you can go ahead and begin to section off where you're going to do your little swoops for the baby hairs. And I'm not going to do the 3 baby hairs, one across the center and then, one on each side. I'm just going to do 2 swoops on each side. Well, 2 swoops total, but 1 on each side. And I'm going to use the Alpha G mousse to create those baby hairs. So now that you went ahead and created your baby hairs, you can go ahead and use a hair tie or elastic band to tie down your edges, and you want to let that dry for about 5 to 10 minutes before removing it. Now, once I come back on camera and remove my elastic band, I'm going to go ahead and comb out my baby hairs, then proceed with my water and conditioner to moisturize the hair so that it's not so puffy and it's more calm and relaxed. What I love most about this hair, that it is super easy to comb through, because the hair is very soft. And I know most people don't like to get curly hair because it's very high maintenance. So if you have a hard time controlling your curls, stay tuned for part 2 of this video with this hair, because I will do a detailed video on how to properly manage your curly hair. So make sure you stay tuned to that video after watching this.